Hey guys, this is WETZ, and today I have a package from speedcubeshop.com. There's a link in the description to SpeedCubeShop, and in it I have some accessories and one new cube. And I'm gonna unbox it right now. So I have my scissors here, and let's just cut right through it. So I ordered I ordered a 2x2 Megaminx. I ordered a MF3RS2, a Blindfold. What else did I order? I don't know, let's just see. If you want to buy any of this, there's a link in the description to SpeedCubeShop where you can get it. And then you can just search for all the stuff. I'll say the names of the stuff as I go. I don't want to cut anything by accident, so let's just see, there's a lot of cloth stuff. Oh, that's the cube bag. Yeah, I ordered a cube bag. Okay, good. Okay, so here's the cube bag. Here's the blindfold. Has SpeedCubeShop on it. There's the MF3RS2. Got the stickered version. And I think the 2x2 Megaminx is the last thing I got. So is there anything left in there, guys? Nope. Okay. Yep, so this is what I got. So here is this paper. Got a SpeedCubeShop thing right here. And this just has all of the things I ordered. And that should be good. Okay, so these papers we don't need, so let's just put them over there. And these scissors we don't need anymore. And here is just the SpeedCubeShop business card. I think that might be new actually. That's great. And here is the cube bag. Just a regular old cube bag. Holds 2x2 to 7x7, I think. Here's a good old blindfold. And I sort of know how to do blindfold solves. And I'm gonna see if I can do some for you guys soon. Okay, now let's get into the actual cubes. Right here, oh, I just ripped the box. I don't care, just rip the box. And this is the 2x2 Megaminx. It's bigger than I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be pretty small actually. Oh, it's actually really big. Whatever. Okay, don't need that stuff. And there's lube on it. You can tell. I do know how to do Megaminx other than the last layer, and I imagine the 2x2 will be the same. Right away, what I notice is this color is sort of weird. One second, let me adjust my camera. This color is sort of weird right here, and it's almost like white, but it's like weird. It's sort of like a beigeish color. Not really 2x2 because there are centerpieces. And let's just solve it. I'm gonna solve it as best as I can. This looks pretty great actually. It's very smooth right away. I don't know any good finger tricks for Megaminx, so. Okay, there's the first side. Okay, there we go, that one right there, and the last one. And then now you just need to get in these pieces, and I don't know where that one is. Okay, so a lot of the algorithms are pretty similar to regular 3x3, but let's just set that aside for now. So here's the stuff that I got, and let's just open up the MF3RS2. Just rip it. Just rip the box. It's okay. Okay, so in it, it has instructions. We don't need those. And let's just get that little cube out. So this is the MF3RS2, which is the revised version of the revised version. This is not magnetic. Didn't want to get the magnetic one. Okay, right off the bat, the stickers are sort of weird here. They're like sharper than most ones and flatter. But whatever, on the edge pieces, as you can see. So it gives that sort of different shape look. But if you look at the actual pieces, let me just focus. The actual pieces are still the regular way. And there's the good old MoFang JiaoShi logo on it. And then out of the box, it's pretty good. I feel like it's tensioned absolutely perfectly right now. Maybe just not loose enough. Sort of feels like if you have this 2x2, feels like the G-cab a little bit. So let's just do a solve. That was bad solve, okay. Seems pretty good, actually. Oh wow, I keep going out of focus. There we go. Sorry if it was out of focus, guys. Okay, let's look at this corner cutting. Oh, corner cutting isn't too good out of the box. I might need to loosen this cube, probably will. Cube is not... It's a bit tight. Okay, let's just begin with another solve. Feels a bit sluggish. It's nice and stable if you want a nice and stable cube, but it is a bit slow. For its price, I would say it's pretty good. Really good, actually, for its price. But honestly, I thought it would be a little bit better. Just a bit slow and a bit tight. Okay, so hopefully if I loosen it, it will become a whole lot better. Okay, so I am back with a screwdriver. Let's pop this cap open and tension it. Can't get the cap. Got it. Okay. So inside there's just a regular old screw, as you can see, and let's just loosen it a little bit. What? Oh, these screws are a bit smaller than what I'm used to. I need to get a smaller screwdriver. Yep. I'm gonna come back in a few seconds when I get smaller screwdriver. So, it took a few tries, but I finally have. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Finally have a screwdriver that works, but it's a flathead, Phillips head, and it's not actually perfect, but it's the best I could find and it works. So let's just loosen this a little bit. Okay, let's go on the other side and loosen it a little bit too. All these and get these caps off. Oh, now it fell on the floor. Okay, that's yellow and this one's white. It's not racist. Okay, just loosen this one just a bit. Let's see how. Oh wow, you can actually feel so much of a difference already. I feel like it might be too loose actually on the white side. Alright, yellow's too loose too. Okay, that feels pretty good. Okay, so let's tension the orange one now. Okay, now we just gotta get this.
These caps are actually weird because the little thing you have to pick it out is only on 2 of the sides. Here, let me try to show you.
Are only on 2 of the side, that side and that side, and they're not on the other side, so that's sort of weird and stupid, but whatever. Okay. I don't think it's here. Yep, there's none there, so I have to go over here and over here. And I can just get from the edge. And there we go. Yeah, put it over there. And let me just loosen this just a little bit, so. Okay. There we go. This is actually very sensitive because I'm barely turning it, yet there's a huge difference. So find the side with a little notch. Find the other side with a little notch. Go to the edge. And take it out with your finger. This is sort of a tutorial on tensioning too. Whatever. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's just pretend this is white. There we go. Yeah, okay. Alright, now let's just put all these back in so I don't mess it up again. And let me just... Oh, sorry about that, guys. This is turning into a pretty bad video and a really long video. I'll just edit out a bunch of stuff. Okay. Let me try this time. Okay, and inspection. Can't find good cross. Okay. Oh, that's a T-turn. Terrible solve. But whatever, I think it's tension good now. So just out of the box, it's a bit tight, loosen it a little bit, and you should be good to go. This is a definitely good buy for a beginner or a novice cube or anything. Just buy it. It's pretty good. Very good actually. Wow, I like it a lot now. Nice and a bit loose. I like my cubes a bit loose, so it's good. So go check out DMCubing. Special thanks for him because he got me a lot of subs because he gave me a shout out in one of his videos. So go check out DMCubing. He does magnetizing videos. He actually recently did one on how to magnetize an MF3RS2. So go check that out. Also, if you want to buy any of this stuff, there's a link in the description to SpeedCube Shop. This is the Blindfold. This is a cube storage bag. This is the MF3RS2, and this is the Fanxin 2x2 Rubik's Cube, I think. Yeah. Fanxin. That's how you spell Fanxin. Okay. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks.